Welcome back. Money Magnet here, helping you make money online. In this video, we'll be sharing strategies for building a successful email marketing campaign. Tip 1. Build a targeted email list. The foundation of any successful email marketing campaign is a targeted email list. Focus on building a list of engaged subscribers who are interested in your product or service. Tip 2. Segment your email list. Segmenting your email list allows you to send targeted messages to specific groups of subscribers. This can improve open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. Tip 3. Craft compelling subject lines. Your subject line is the first thing your subscribers will see in their inbox. Make sure it's compelling and relevant to your content to increase open rates. Tip 4. Personalize your emails. Personalizing your emails can improve engagement and make your subscribers feel valued. Use merge tags to insert their name or other relevant information into your emails. Tip 5. Test and optimize your campaigns. To improve the effectiveness of your email campaigns, test different elements such as subject lines, call to actions, and sending times. Use data to optimize your campaigns for better results. And there you have it. By following these strategies, you can build a successful email marketing campaign that drives engagement and conversions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online.